We live in an era powered by technology. Our world today is marked by breakthroughs in robotics, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, quantum computing, the Internet of Things, fifth-generation wireless technologies, and many other digital innovations. Insular Life knows and understands this. Constantly, our operations are evolving, always ahead of the pack, as we reimagine our business today and lay a solid foundation to build a business model for the future, putting our customers first, to serve them better, to present to them products and services that will help build a financial plan for an uncertain future. Because even with all the changes, deep within us remains a genuine intention to do good for good. The Philippines ranks one of the highest in growth projections in East Asia and the Pacific region, given its sound economic fundamentals and improved investment-grade credit standing. Because of this sound footing, the Philippines is expected to reach upper middle income status by 2022. In 2018, the economy posted a decent growth of 6.2%, as measured by the gross domestic product, despite a spike in inflation rate and domestic interest rates. The local life insurance industry is likewise projected to grow. Last year, despite reduced spending power due to higher inflation rates, life insurance premiums actually grew. This is attributed to more Filipinos moving upward to middle-class economic status, making them more aware of the importance of being financially secure. Just as the industry expanded, so did Insular Life. Our consolidated financial performance ranks us among the very top domestic life insurance company. Our consolidated total revenues rose to 22.2 billion pesos, from 19.7 billion pesos, up by 13%. Our members' equity reached 40.5 billion pesos, from 36.5 billion pesos, 11% higher than the previous year. 2018 was a very challenging year for the financial markets. Locally, the year was generally characterized by increasing interest rates, and for the most part, a volatile and downtrending Philippine stock exchange. Against this backdrop, the company's total assets slightly declined to 135.06 billion pesos, as market values of both our stock and bond portfolios were affected by financial market conditions. Our parent company also showed positive results. Total revenues rose to 20.9 billion pesos from 18.32 billion pesos, up by 14%. Net insurance revenue amounted to 13.9 billion pesos, up by 18%. Operating revenue reached 6.9 billion pesos, up by 8%. We have a robust business in force of 356.1 billion pesos, a 27% increase from 280.5 billion pesos. Our net worth of 39.1 billion pesos still ranks us among the top life insurance companies in the country. We ended the year with a total net income of 2.2 billion pesos. We deliver on our promises year after year. In 2018 alone, we paid a total of 8.2 billion pesos in claims and benefits to our policyholders. Over a span of 5 years, we have released 43.7 billion pesos in benefit payments and claims to our policyholders nationwide. We continue to take care of the funds entrusted to us, and this is shown in our prudence in our investment strategy. We are happy to report that our flagship equity fund portfolio bested comparable variable equity funds in the market, and the PSE index with its 10-year compounded annual growth rate of 16.2%. In the same period, our growth and balanced funds have likewise performed impressively. Time and time again, we have shown that our operation is marked by steady success, whatever the market situation may be, allowing us to truly provide a lifetime of good for our policyholders. Our strategic partnership with Union Bank is beginning to bear fruit. In the first full-year operation of our bancassurance partnership, we recorded an impressive 53% growth in first-year premiums of 3.34 billion pesos from 2.19 billion pesos in 2017. This channel will grow even more in the coming years as we continue to tap Union Bank's client lead base and further increase penetration. Likewise, our agency distribution channel recorded a 19% growth in first-year premiums, posting 3.8 billion pesos in 2018 from 3.2 billion pesos in 2017. This performance is on the back of a 6% growth in policy count. Our investment income amounted to 5 billion pesos, 12.6% more than the 4.46 billion pesos recorded in 2017. This includes dividend income of 1.67 billion pesos derived from Philippine Shell Petroleum Corporation and Union Bank. In addition, we also generated revenues from our real property business. Our total lease revenues grew by 47% to 605.5 million pesos in 2018 from 2017's revenue of 412.7 million pesos. We also sold 105.7 million pesos worth of properties. The success of our operations is backed by a strong drive to embrace change and develop new business models that will propel us well into the future. We are on our way to becoming the most digitally connected life insurance company in the Philippines, with many initiatives and programs already running. In 2018, we became totally paperless in the entire application and policy issuance process. We have implemented a fully automated end-to-end online sales process, from policy application, premium payment through credit or debit cards, to obtaining an underwriting decision and electronic policy delivery in under 30 minutes. To reach a wider online market, we deployed very affordable InLife protection and hospitalization solutions in the online selling platform, Lazada. As our e-commerce business continues to expand, majority of Filipinos will be able to purchase insurance products anytime, anywhere, through our online presence. Our efforts in maintaining excellence in our operations have been recognized by prestigious award-giving bodies. Awards are sweeter the second time around, as we accepted our second Domestic Life Insurer Award from Insurance Asia Awards and the Trusted Brand Gold Award for the Life Insurance category given by Reader's Digest Asia. We also bagged 2 Anvil Awards for our 2016 Annual Report, 2017 Calendar Set, and the Special Innovation Event, Hackathon. On our 108th year, we are committed to face the challenges of the digital world, and it starts with how we present ourselves. We manifest this in a way that will evoke a reinvigorated brand with a renewed sense of purpose and owning good as part of our Insular Life story. The world may have changed, yet our belief remained the same. Everyone deserves the good. In the reimagined logo, the Philippine eagle remains as our powerful icon, but he is no longer confined by borders to symbolize our ambition to reach across horizons. We use gradient colors to reflect dynamism, flexibility, to better move with the changing times. Bolder fonts dramatize the bold direction we are moving to as we navigate through the digital age. Our new color, orange, represents warmth and care. Blue represents trust and dependability. Our logo's new look was inspired by the intersecting circles of the seed of life, a universal symbol of creation and new beginnings. This is how we will now be projected to the world. A dependable and trusted brand, consistently evolving, bold enough to take the lead in digital transformation. We are constantly working to be better for the young ones, for the families, and for every Filipino chasing after their dreams. We yearn for a future where everyone is leading a lifetime for good. We are a proud Filipino company with a heart for the common good. Our corporate social responsibility arm, the Insular Foundation, steered our involvement in the 4 priority development areas of education, environmental protection, disaster response and rehabilitation, and employee volunteerism. Our flagship program since 1963, the Gold Eagle College Scholarship Grant, continues to this day. Currently, 82 Gold Eagle scholars are taking up BS Education, BS Mathematics, and BS Statistics courses in our partner state universities and colleges nationwide. They receive stipend, book allowances, and other support to help them succeed in their education. Our commitment to education is far-reaching, even as we partner with other institutions to bring about a deeper learning experience in our public schools. We are also proud to report to you that our flagship program for poor elementary pupils, called Adopt a Scholar, is now a nationwide operation. From its humble beginnings in one school in Muntinlupa in 2001, the Adopt a Scholar program is now helping 1,410 pupils spread across schools in Muntinlupa, Benguet, Davao, Ifugao, Tacloban, Cebu, and Bulacan. We would not have been able to help these children without the support of employees and agents who made donations for their education. We collaborated with Knowledge Channel for the production of financial literacy videos that are now shown to grade 9 students nationwide. Our 1 million peso grant to Knowledge Channel enabled us to uplift the learning experience of public high school students nationwide. Displaced children of Marawi City's conflict also received help from us through our partnership with Save the Children Foundation. We sent armchairs, tables, school materials, and other necessary supplies so that they can rebuild their classrooms destroyed during the Marawi siege. Strong supporters of the foundation are our very own employee volunteers who embody our commitment to our mission of providing a lifetime for good to Filipinos. We are also supporting various causes for the environment. In 2018, we donated 1 million pesos to the Philippine Eagle Foundation in an effort to revive the dwindling population of the mighty haribon. To help the country combat the effects of global warming, we subscribed 1 billion peso worth of green bonds issued by the International Finance Corporation, a member of the World Bank Group. As an institutional investor, we want to put our foot forward for efforts that will lead to the sustainability of our planet. Furthermore, our commitment to the preservation of the environment were richly rewarded when our Makati building was awarded with the LEED Gold certification by the U.S. Green Building Council. We're also working towards obtaining an EDGE certification through our membership in the Philippine Coalition for Women Empowerment. EDGE is the leading global assessment methodology and business standard for gender equality. InLife supports workplace gender equality. Once we receive certification, we'll join the ranks of multi-industry employers that lead gender equality efforts in the Philippines, the region, and in the world. We ventured into an uncharted territory in the life insurance industry when we launched the InLife Sheroes program. Our commitment to serving a wider base of Filipinos has led us to a study which revealed that women are not adequately protected from life's many risks, for which the woman is highly exposed. In partnership with the International Finance Corporation, InLife Sheroes program will allow Insular to become the first mover in the Filipino insurance industry to create solutions that protect and add value to the lives of Filipino women, offering solutions for their specific needs and which are not currently available in the market. The program also has a strong advocacy component to help women become self-reliant and financially independent, and we will do that through our 4 pillars of financial inclusion: financial education, health and wellness, women-specific solutions, and access to business and social networks. Our hope is to be able to make a positive impact to 1 million Filipinas in 3 years, then increase the number as we move forward. Our collective dream is that we will see in our lifetime, or in the lifetime of our children, when every Filipina will be financially independent, healthier, wealthier, and living meaningful lives. 2018 has been a rewarding year, allowing us to secure our finances and find meaning in what we do. We take time to celebrate our achievements and lay them down as part of the foundation for the long-term success we envision for the future. In that future, no one is left behind, because our success is anchored on the growth and security of our partners, policyholders, and beneficiaries. At the very core of our company is a heart that beats for others, because we exist to offer a lifetime for good for everyone.